Hello, boys and girls. Welcome. Today on Monday. It's Monday, September the 26th, 2022. New week, new day with new puzzles. I've already solved 2 puzzles: the Sudoku with 3 stars and the 4 stars. Puzzle Sudokus, yes. 2 puzzles are left: the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. Yeah. In the weekend, we have no extra puzzles, no binary, so I know there are binary fans who love to solve the binaries. So, yeah, binary time. And this will be number 5235. 5235. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, this one. Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Yeah. Then double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Then between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. And then well, we have here 3 1s. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row, in the first row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here in this column, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here in the first row, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Then, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Need to compare, I believe. Well, is this true? I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have a first one, second one, third one. Oh, here could be also a 1. Okay. Not the solution. I think we need to compare here. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Okay, between the 1s comes an O. Ah, this one overlooked. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Then it's time for compare. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 4, 1. Yeah. Do we have a double 1 here? No. So I cannot compare this column. 01, 01. Do we have 01, 01 here? 01, 0, no. So I cannot compare this column here. 01. Well, how about this column then? 10, 10. Do we have a 10, 10 here? 10, 10. Okay. This column and the third column. 1, 1, 0, 0. Empty box. 1, 1, 0, 0. Oh! Overlooked. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. 2, 3. Still 3. Still 3. Still 3. Okay, so this one I can also compare. Let me compare this one here. I've marked those two columns. 1 1 0 0 empty box. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have 0 here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Need to compare again. 10, we have a 10 here. Oh no. 10. No. 10. No. How about the columns then? 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 no 0 1. Come on. No, here I cannot compare. Double 1. Yeah. This column. And the first column. 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Finished in 7 minutes. Well. Need to compare twice. Twice, yes. But I love it. I like this. Do you like this too? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. It's a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.